my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a 10-minute glass skin remedy. Now this is actually going to help you so much. Now one of the causes of rough skin is actually not washing your face before you go to bed. Now it is a rule concerning the skin that before you go to bed, even if you can't take your bath, you have to wash your face with a toilet soap. And also I would recommend you wash your face with a little bit of something to scrub, like foam, or all those hand sponge, you use that to scrub your face. Now that is actually going to unclog your pores, because throughout the day you must have been exposed to dust, sweat, oil and all of that. So all of those things are on your face. So this remedy is going to help you so much in unclogging your pores and giving you that glass skin, and you also have to follow the rules. Okay, so let's dive into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Now let's go. So glass skin, guys, you're going to be needing flax earth clay powder. Flax earth clay powder is an oil absorbing property. It works wonders in rejuvenating the skin and leaving the skin really smooth. It helps to smoothen out the skin. It removes fine lines and wrinkles, and it's also a great remedy for removing pigmentations and rashes. And the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be yogurt. Yogurt is a natural antibacterial property that helps, and it also contains a lactic acid, which helps to fight wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to reduce aging process, and it also helps to smoothen out the skin. The next ingredient we're going to be needing will be pure gram flour. Gram flour is an all-purpose remedy that works in smoothing out the skin and rejuvenating the skin. It helps to get rid of fine lines and as well as wrinkles. It's also a natural antiseptic and antibacterial remedy. And then we're going to be making use of banana. Now banana works wonders in helping us glow the skin. Because of its anti-aging property, it is also great in absorbing oil, closing up large and open pores, and it's going to help to make the skin really smooth. Alright guys, so to mix this all up, you're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of yogurt, half 1 teaspoon of pure gram flour, one teaspoon of flax earth clay powder, and half cut of banana. So instead of blending my banana, I would have to be putting it in this little tiny mortar and pound it. I don't increase volume. So I'm actually going to be pounding it real quick, and of course your banana has to be pretty soft. Alright, so it's properly blended and pounded. So I'm actually going to be transferring that into this bowl. So now we would have to be mixing this one up. Alright, so this is properly mixed. Alright guys, so to achieve a glass skin, you are going to be needing to use this remedy at most 3 times in a week. And this is actually really strong. Alright guys, so that's it. You'd have to apply it generously onto your whole face. And this is actually going to help you so much. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you're going to allow this to set, and it's not going to dry because of the banana, but of course it's going to just get into your skin and soften your skin, glow your skin. It's going to help your skin really smooth, and it's going to help you also in case you're having dark spots, so you would have to leave this on your skin for a couple of minutes, and after that then you would have to wash it off at most 5 minutes. You're gonna wash it off. Look at how it is. Okay, so you go wash it off after 5 minutes. Repeat this treatment for like 4 times in a week. Basically, if you want to even apply it every day, you're going to achieve that wonderful glow skin, that really smooth and polished skin. Your skin is going to be sparkling. So that's it guys. Now when you apply this, wash it off in 10 minutes, you are going to be seeing the result. Now you would also have to be consistent, like apply it again and again and again, and the result stays. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.